everyone, you are welcome to another video. In today's video we want to look at single and multiple filtering in Excel. So this is a data set on online retail. Now if I click on any part of this data set, I can double click the down part here. It will take me to the last item on the list. As you can see, this is row 120. So basically there are 119 row of data in this table. If I double click, you can see it takes me down to the top. So before you are able to carry out filtering, you want to ensure that there are no empty rows, and you can do that simply by doing Ctrl A, then Ctrl period up to 4 times. It will take you round. So when you have confirmed that, then you can now carry out filtering on the data set. So basically filtering is a sorting technique that you carry out on a data set that does not have empty rows and records. So in this particular data set, I want to filter out some data. I'll come to the column first of all that I want to filter. In the data ribbon, you click on filter. When you click on filter, you have this drop down arrow. With it, you can click on the drop down arrow. Now all these options that are available here show you the unique values that are in that column. So what you can simply do, if there are records that you want to see, you simply uncheck it. You uncheck the records that you don't want to see. And then if there are records, maybe few records that you want to see, you can simply uncheck the select all. So when you uncheck the select all, you will now be able to check the ones that you want to see. So you click on it this way. Can you see? So out of 119 records, 33 records were found. So whenever you see these blue colored labels in data, it simply means that there are hidden rows in the data set. As you can see in this one, it is black. So, but for the blue, it means there are hidden rows in it. Now, I have filtered this data by the invoice number. There are certain times that I may want to go further and filter the data more specifically. Okay, more specifically. So let's say I want to get the description of I want to get more unique description of this invoice number, or I want to get the description that has to do with A. So I'll simply click, I'll uncheck this again, and then I'll click that which has to do with A, which is alarm and assorted, and I'll click on OK. Can you see? So 4 records out of 119 were found. You can see that. Now if I come further, I can also filter this out and say, okay, I want the country that is only France. I want the country to be only France. So I'll simply uncheck this and I'll click on France. then I'll click on OK. So you can see 3 of 119 records were found. So this is how you are able to filter data to get the specific results you are looking for. And filtering in Excel helps you to tally a very large data set into a very minute form with which you can be able to do your analysis and get your insights. So we have been able to carry out filtering on 3 columns. There are certain times you want to go back to the original data set. What you can simply do is to clear. You click on this clear option here. Or let's say I want the description that is not limited by the country. I'll simply click on the country and select all. Can you see that? So it has now been increased by 1. Okay, so if I want to clear everything, I want to remove the filtering, I'll simply click on the clear option. So it has returned back to the original state. Whenever you clear, you always see a little box that is close to the you always see this little funnel that is by the box. You can see that. So it shows that this particular column is undergoing filtering, so that anytime you see it in any data set at all. So this is how you are able to perform filtration in single and multiple columns. See you in my next video.